Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to resolve if you're unable to uninstall the Snap Camera application from your Windows 10 computer. This should be a pretty straightforward process, guys, and without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So first thing you want to do, just make sure you closed out of all of the Snap programs and processes. And I would have installed it for this tutorial, by the way, but it only works on 64-bit processors and operating systems. So unfortunately, this virtual machine is a 32-bit. But the point remains, just right-click on the taskbar and select Task Manager. Look under Apps and Background Processes. If you see anything that says Snap Camera in here, again, Snap Camera, you just want to select it and then select End Task, or you can right-click on it and End Task. So again, go through here, check and see if there's anything in here that says Snap Camera. You want to end the process and then go back and try and uninstall the application. So pretty straightforward process, guys. I do hope that I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.